After retiring from the U.S. Air Force, after 21 years, I realized I missed out on a lot with my family, and the world was going crazy, even before COVID. So we just decided to let's live the RV life. And along the way, we realized RV quality is not what it should be. My name is Choi. How did I get here? We met a former student from here who's actually a pastor out of Bozeman, Montana, who told me, listen, you should give this place a call based upon what you're trying to do with your life. So that's how we ended up here, and we've had no regrets since then. What I appreciate about Todd is his ability and his experiences needed to read the crowd and tailor his instructions in accordance with where the crowd was mentally. I had an aha moment on the average once every 45 minutes of instructional hours, and that's not necessarily based on the academic things that we were learning, but it was based upon why technicians get frustrated at engineers. It really gave me a good understanding of that angst, if you will, because I'm an engineering type. So it's really great to have an understanding of the people who are out there doing the work, what it is that they get mad at, and why. I've had the confidence before from a technical reading the manual and just applying the manuals, but in terms of dealing with prospective customers, I have a lot more confidence because I have a lot of engineering experience, but that was always in a laboratory. This is a place filled with like-minded people.
Guys, the RV industry has never been more popular than it is right now, and it's never been so understaffed. We need thousands of technicians and inspectors just like you. Click the link below to learn more and get your future started today.